Hello friends, welcome in my video series on shell scripting. In this video I'll explain you the basic loop, that is for loop, along with one simple program. So I'll open two terminals, one is for writing program and second one is for compilation of this. So first I'll create one empty file using touch command. This is, so file is created here, this one, and open this file for typing my program. Type it bin bash for I in 1 2 3 4 5, then do echo $I and do done. So see the syntax. So for I in, then the numbers, then this will print and then do done. So this is like opening and closing brace in C and C++. So instead of that opening and closing brace, so do and done as used here. This is one way to write that for loop. I'll save it and I'll try to run it again. It will not run. For.sh permission denied. Now again change mode plus x for sh dot sh permission will be granted. Now run it. So this is 1 2 3 4 5. Now again one more syntax I'll tell you. This is very related to your C programming. So for two opening braces like 0, I is less than suppose 10 and I plus plus, closing this, do echo $I done. So to just a separation, I'll write here echo for second syntax, then here echo for first syntax. So these are the two syntax I have used. So I'll save it and run on this terminal, this for.sh. so first it will print 5 numbers and again 5 numbers. So this, sorry, 10 numbers started from 0. So 1 to 5 and 0 to 9. So you can use either symbol, either syntax for loop. So this is very simple example for the for loop. Hope so. If you understood this, so if you are having any query, so please comment me. So like my video, subscribe and share it. Thank you very much.